Look at this. Look at these eyes, man. I'm exhausted, man. I am burning the candle at both ends at work. Check this out, check this out. Is it lime green? No, man. I've been telling people it's a lime green, but I'm lying. What it is my favorite color of beta. White, baby, white. If you hate white, who cares, man? Just get excited for me, because I like it. I like white. White looks awesome when it's clean. It's the best. So the big takeaway, buy a Polisport kit, and you want, you gotta do a color change. You're gonna have to find a color change front. If you say you got a red, you gotta find a white. If you want to, it doesn't probably matter. It depends on how anal you wanna be about it. But the cool thing is, to go along with this white, I have a flat kind of white and gray graphics kit that I made at MotoCal. I like MotoCal. I order all my graphics from there because it's highly customizable and I do it all myself. So I like making them myself, man. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, ring the bell, and we'll see you soon.